Welcome back to Financial Fitness 101, the YouTube online course that helps you get your finances in shape. In today's episode, we're diving into an issue that can be as scary as running into a ghost at night for many of us: debt. Now, don't mix that up with death, although considering how spine-chilling both can be, it's an easy mistake to make. Debt can come in many forms, from credit card debt to student loans, mortgages to car loans. It's important to understand the different types of debt and how they can accumulate over time. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through it all. So let's initiate our journey by dissecting the assorted species of debt. Credit card debt, like the popular kid in school, is one of the most prevalent forms of debt, equipped with soaring interest rates that can swiftly accumulate. Here's a chuckle for you. I once knew a guy who thought his credit card limit was actually his personal wealth. A hilarious misunderstanding, but a potent reminder of how easily we can misinterpret financial terms. Student loans are another major source of debt, often taking years to pay off. It's like the never-ending subscription service you never wanted, and it doesn't even come with free shipping. Mortgages and car loans are long-term debts that require careful planning and budgeting. They are the dynamic duo of adulting, or as I like to call them, the two musketeers of debt. They're here for the long haul, demanding careful planning and budgeting, and they don't take "I forgot" as an excuse. Now that we know what types of debt we're dealing with, let's talk about how it can accumulate. Debt can pile up faster than ants at a picnic through overspending, living beyond our means, or unexpected financial emergencies. Let me share a quick, humorous story with you about a chap named Benny. Benny was always a positive thinker. Day he saw a quote on a social media site which said, "Live beyond your means." Benny, being the eternal optimist that he was, figured this was his green light to live large and spend big, a motivational quote to live by. So Benny went on a wild spending spree, buying speedboats, luxury cars, and an upscale condo that he'd seen only in glossy magazines. The only Benny's paycheck was about as thin as a dieting pancake. As you can imagine, it all came crashing down pretty quick. Benny learned the hard way that living beyond your means is not quite the motivational mantra he thought it was. So it's important to chuckle at Benny's story and be mindful of our spending habits, creating a budget that allows us to live within our means, not beyond. But what if you're already in debt? No need for panic, are ways to manage it. One of the most effective strategies is debt snowball method. Now, don't get too excited. We're not talking about a fun snowball fight to erase your debts. This method involves paying off your smallest debts first, then using the money you would have spent on those payments to go at your larger debts. It's a snowball effect that can help you roll down the hill of debts much faster. So while no real snowballs are thrown, you do get to knock out your debts one by one. Another strategy is debt consolidation, which involves combining multiple debts into one loan with a lower interest rate. This can make it easier to manage your payments and potentially save you money in the long run. Remember, getting out of debt takes time and discipline. It's important to stay committed to your financial goals and make smart choices along the way. And always remember to seek professional advice if you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure about your financial situation. That's it for today's episode of Financial Fitness 101. We hope you've learned something valuable about debt and how to manage it. Join us next time for more tips and tricks to help you achieve financial success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content of how you can learn financial discipline and achieve financial freedom and make money online. And remember, managing debt is like going to the gym. Both might make you sweat and pant, but the endorphins and freedom from debt aches, oh, they're worth every drop of that sweat. Stay financially fit, folks.